So let's take a look at the different functions that we can do with the ELIO X, starting by taking an intraoral photo. So let's just say I even want to do an upper molar, and I zoom in, and I freeze it and capture the image. And you can look on the big screen, very quick, easy for an intraoral photo. And if you want to show here, you have also the ELIO X connected to your image capture software, whatever software you use, and I can capture this image directly in the patient's file. Okay? So let's look at the next function. So for endo, as you've seen on some of the videos, let's go to a higher zoom. So take a look. So this would be an equivalent of about 50x. So you can see the image. Most of the time, previous to the ELIO with my Zeiss scope, I don't work at this magnification unless I'm doing something very particular. But you can see the extent of the zoom, and again, you can capture this image. Now, let's take a look for extraoral photos. You can bite down, and you can see how quick it is to take any extraoral photo, and again, without taking the big lens camera, instant photo with it, show it on the screen, instantly in the patient file, very practical. Turn to the right. I can record different positions like that just by moving the ELIO around and asking the patient to move. I can zoom in, and all done with touchless controls. Here's another image. Take a lateral view. Okay? You can open wide. Examination, I can take a wide view and look directly on the screen. If I want to zoom in on a particular issue here, there you go. And you can notice it's a self-autofocus function. If I want to record, for example, to show this issue where there's a recession and lack of attached gingiva, I can hit the record button and I can record a video showing the patient the problematic area. So instead of just showing her a photo, I can take a 5-second video in the imaging software and discuss it with the patient. If I want to zoom in, open wide, and on a particular problem in the posterior, I can zoom in and go in direct view, direct or indirect, and freeze the image. So very flexible, very quick to take all those intra and extraoral photos or videos. And I'll remove this for now. Sorry. So again, let's just say I want to take a smile photo. Go. All right, I'm going to zoom in. Go ahead and smile. There you go. Instant smile photo, high quality HD photos directly on the ELIO screen or in the patient file. Very quick to document and to record all those photos.